Welcome here. I'm V, a stay-at-home mom of 4 beautiful kids and a homemaker. And I gave myself a challenge this year to basically declutter and deep clean my whole entire life, my whole entire home, if I can put it that way. And so I started off with the least cluttered space, which is my living space. This is such an easy space to clean. There's not a lot in this space. It's very bare. I also want to work on that, but I just want to start off by doing some deep cleaning. I know for me personally, I thrive in a space that is cluttered free. So my goal for this year is just to find rhythm again, get my discipline again. And so I thought about what I'm going to do to get back into rhythm and to get in a better mental space where I can feel more calm and more at peace. I think we as humans, we feel like we first need to have every single thing that we want, the car, our house, all the materialistic things, before we can be content, before we can be happy. And I genuinely just want to be in a better space mentally, and I just basically ask God to also help me to be more grateful, because I remember this house was a prayer at one point. And even though I just want to move out of the area that we are living in, and I'm not happy in this area anymore, this was a prayer at one point, and it is now an answered prayer, and it's still our family home. And I just felt so out of place for the longest time, and I just want to get back to feeling happy and feeling grateful. And so I just started with my least cluttered space. No, break it. I broke the bottle. Well, there you see me break. So I just broke the only spray bottle that I have left in the house, with my mixture, my vinegar and bleach mixture that I clean so many things with. And so I just decided, well, let me just get a bucket and put the mixture in there and just clean as I go. And so you see me cleaning there. It's our window, very old window. When we moved in here, we found this window here. Well, my plan is, or my wish is, for us to change this window out very soon. But I am so grateful for what I have. And I know I've been in such a place of, where you just feel so stagnant, and like, we have goals and we're not, let me rather speak for myself. I can sometimes find myself not being content. You have a goal and you will be happy once you reach that goal. I want to just be in a better place where I am working on something, but I am still content with where I'm at, not waiting for me to achieve what I want first to be happy or to be at peace. So I'm just cleaning this window. My living space is not that messy. I have deep cleaned it not so long ago. So it's just basically me giving everything a nice wipe down. And it was extremely hot on this day. So as I was wiping down my windows, it dried so fast as well. And I found it so nice to just clean when it's so extremely hot. It's tiring as well, but it just makes my space feel like I want it to feel.
Don't do that in a video. Come here.
And so I just decided to wipe down the holes as well. It was not dirty as I said, but I just wanted to refresh the space as I'm doing a decluttering throughout the whole house. If you enter our home, this is the first space, and I always just wanted to be just tidy. I don't want a lot of things even when I start. Even if I have to start decorating the space again, I'm not going to over decorate. I don't like over decorating spaces, but I just want it to feel homely, home, and clean. And so I just tidied the whole space, and after I tidied, guys, I am reminded every single time. I don't know how many times I told my sister, like, this is why I love cleaning. To feel like I am in a space that is clean, it calms my mind, and all the anxiety or overstimulation just goes out the door. And so this is your reminder to just tidy your space. You don't have to have money or buy something new to make you feel like you are in a new. Just giving this space a deep clean makes it feel new. So thank you for being here. I'll see you guys in the next one. I love you guys. Stay blessed. Stay safe.